Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TK Maths S1. In today's video, we will see addition and subtraction of fraction word problem, and this is video number 5. On the screen, you can see the QR codes of Key Stage 3 videos and Key Stage 4 videos. For Key Stage 3, I would recommend go to Key Stage 4 videos also, because Key Stage 4 papers start asking the concept which comes from class 7 onward, right? There are 2 papers, one is without calculator. So you will find very good questions over there also. It is written in alphabetical order, the topicals. So you will be able to find it out easily. So let's see first question. In a bag there are red, green and purple counters. This is the level of class 7 basically, or 8, both can do it. So 3/8 of the counters are red, 1/6 of the counters are green. What fraction of the counters are purple? So because there are 3 colors counters only in the bag, and 100% fraction is equals to 1. When you add up the fraction of all 3 counters, it should be equal to 1. So I will do what? I will add the red plus green counters, right? And then I will minus it from the total. Total is what? 1. So total is 3/8 plus 1/6. We have seen in the previous video, if denominator is not same, we have to make it same by taking the LCM, right? And LCM is the prerequisite of this topic, so you should know how to take LCM. So we start with the smallest number. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. For LCM, you keep multiplying by the smallest number until you finish and reach to 1. Now 3 doesn't come in the table of 2. 3 is not a multiple of 2. So I'll write it as it is. And 2 times 2 is 4. Then again 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 will come as it is. After that 3 times 1 is 3. So LCM is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So LCM is 24. It means I have to make denominators equals to 24. So 6 times 4 is 24, and of course I will multiply numerator also by the same number. 8 times 3 is 24, and I will multiply numerator by the same number. So now I have 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 8 is 24, 1 times 4 is 4, 6 times 4 is 24, denominator is same, so I can add it up. So 9 plus 4 over 24. So 13 upon 24 is the total fraction of the counters of red and green. Now there are 2 ways. One is mental maths and other is working. Mental maths is easy at this point, but I will teach you both. This tells you total counters, right? And I would recommend not to simplify right now at this stage. I mean, this one we cannot, but even if you can, try not to simplify it. Otherwise, you will not get actual number of counters. And these are the red and green counter in the bag. So what is left now? Purple is left. So purple counter can easily be calculated now. Purple. Can you tell me how? Yes, you are absolutely right. 24 minus 13 will give me how many purple counters are there? 11 counters. But is the question saying how many purple counters are there? No. What is question saying? Fraction of the purple counters. So what you will write here? 11 divided by 11 over 24. So this is your answer. Always make box around your final answer. That will avoid all sort of confusion. Second method which I was talking about is, because 100% is 1, right? In case of fraction, complete thing is 1. So 1 minus the fraction of red and green. This is what I was doing. And the denominator is 1 here when nothing is written. Again, you will make the denominator same. So you need to multiply by 24. So 24 times 1 is 24. And since the denominator is same, I can subtract the numerator. And did I get the same answer? Yes. 11 over 24. So you see, if you are doing by this method, please do not stop here. That is telling you how many counters are there. But question is asking about fraction. Now this is a little extension. I will explain the question and I would like you to put the video on pause and then solve it. And then continue the video while I'm explaining here. Okay. So the map is given here and the positions in which the 4 places, library, shop, school, park, are located. What is given to you here is the distance from library to park. It means from here to here it is 1 kilometer. Right. Then shop to park. Shop to park means from here to here is what? 7, 9. I'm using different colors so that you can understand. And then from library to school is 7/10. Now these are 7/10. Okay, let me write here. Library to school. From here to here. Blue color, right? Different colors I hope will help you to understand better. 7 over 10. Question is saying, explain shop to school. It means you have to find out this distance, purple one, right? This is your distance. So what comes in your mind? It's like a jigsaw, I would say. So what comes in my mind is from the red one, which is the complete library to school. From here, red one. If you minus shop to park from the total, if you minus shop to park, you can get this distance easily. Yes or no? You can get this distance. Then you also know the distance in blue from library to school. So from library to school, if you minus this part, then what is left here? Only this part, which is the question. Makes sense? Now put video on pause and solve it. I'm solving here. So I am saying from, let me change the color. From library to shop is purple color. Okay. No, not purple, blue color. I'm using the same color so that you can make connection. So from library to shop, you can calculate if you do library to park minus shop to school. Shop to park, yes. I'm writing everything so that you can understand. So library to park is 1 kilometer and they are all in kilometers, so I don't need to worry about conversion of the units. And shop to park is 7 over 9. And like I have explained in the previous video, previous question, when there is no denominator, it is 1. So in short, it is 2 over 9 kilometer. So, sorry, 2 over 9 kilometer, library to shop. Okay, so I can write here library to shop is 2 over 9 kilometer, right? But I have to find what? Shop to school. But I know from library to school, which is what? 7 over 10, which is, let me change the color. Now, let me keep it same here. Library to school, sorry, we have to calculate it. That is written already there. So now I have to calculate shop to school. That is equals to what? You will do library to school minus, yes, quickly tell me, easy, absolutely right, library to shop, library to school minus library to shop, library to shop, makes sense. So now library to school is in blue color, which is 7/10 given to you, and library to shop you have just calculated, it is 2/9. So I will make denominator same, and I need to take what? LCM. You're right, because 9 is not a multiple of 10 and 10 is not a multiple of 9. If you can do it mentally, well and good. Otherwise, see here, 2 5s are 10, this will come as it is, but 9 and 5 are not multiple of 2 anymore. So now I will start with 3. So 3 3s are 9, 5 will come as it is, 3 1s are 3, 5 will come as it is. It doesn't come in the table of 4, so go to 5. So now my LCM is 2 3 3 5. So let's multiply. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are, I also don't know, so let me find out. 5 8s are 40, 90, right? So LCM is 90. So what I will do, I will multiply this by 9, then this also by 9, this by 10. And why I'm doing this? Because I have to make denominator 90. Absolutely right. So now I have 9 times 7 is 63/90, minus 2 times 10 is 20/90. So denominator is same. I can subtract the numerator. Agreed. So 63 minus 20 is what? 53, 43. So it is 43/90 kilometer, right? If you can simplify, you can, but if you cannot, it's fine. So distance from the shop to the school is 43/90 kilometer. I hope you understood this. You can ask a question in the comment box, and then in the next video we will see how to handle the mixed fraction. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends. Take care.